About the vapor compression cycle. Vapor compression cycle is usually used in HVAC field. We are usually used a reciprocating compressor in a vapor compression cycle. From 1 to 2 at point 1, the refrigerant is in a superheated form because it absorbed all the heat from the occupied space, and it is in a very it's in a gaseous form at a superheated form because its temperature is rise to the supercritical line. Crosses the supercritical line. From 1 to 2, superheated refrigerant is entered into the chamber of a reciprocating compressor where its pressure is rises, and then it's passed over the from 2 to 3. Its rigid heat is ejected out. When heat is rejected out from the condenser, its phase getting changed from gaseous form to high pressure, high temperature gaseous form to low temperature and high pressure liquid. The refrigerant enter into the condenser from a gaseous form and exit in the liquid form. Its heat is ejected out. Then in liquid refrigerant passes through the expansion device where its pressure is drops at a low pressure and low temperature vapor, not a vapor, it is a atomized form of refrigerant which is passes through the evaporator. It is a having a very low temperature and very low pressure. At evaporator, absorbing the heat of the occupied space, and at the end point its temperature is maximum throughout the cycle. The temperature of a refrigerant is high at the end of a evaporator than the temperature of a refrigerant at the exit of the condenser. Here the temperature of refrigerant is low at the exit point of condenser, but the temperature at the exit point of evaporator is quite high. It is in the superheated form. Now we are going to draw the in the graph form of the entire cycle from 1 to 2. The pressure of a refrigerant on the PV diagram, pressure and volume diagram, we are going to represent the vapor compression cycle. From 1 to 2, the compression of a refrigerant take place, its pressure is rises, and 2 to 3 is the rejection of heat takes place inside the condenser and its phase is changes. Compression of refrigerant take place. From 3 to 4 at the expansion device, TXV, its pressure is dropped drastically at the expansion device. At 4 to 1 is the addition of heat from the evaporator side. Inside the occupied space, heat is added. Heat is absorbed by the evaporator at the 4 to 1 point.